everyone. I am Ekam. I am in second year. I'm participating.
Volunteers kindly check the mic. Yeah. Once more for our new audience.
Hello everyone. This is Ekam, and I am a second year student from Heritage Institute of Technology. And this is the third time I am participating in a hackathon. My first one was Diversion 2K23 organized by IEM. And my second one was by Netaji Subhas. And I am really excited for my third time because this time we have an inter-college team and my teammates are very productive, and we have planned some good stuff for this one. And like we are hoping to win. And happy hacking to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Ekam. That's very nice of you. So now, moving on, I think if we go back a previous page, I missed an organizer, right? One of the organizers is still remaining to speak.
Anybody wants to guess who is the organizer? More louder. Where is he?
Nice. Okay. So let me call upon stage Manish Kumar Barnawal, one of the prominent faces and the lead organizer of Hack4Bengal 2.0.
So, hello everyone. Am I audible to the last? आवाज नहीं आ रही जोर से यस या नो बोलो यार Am I audible? Nice. All right. So before starting my whole agenda, I would like to know how many of you are the first timers, like first time participating in any hackathon. All right. There are many hands. And one more thing that like this hackathon supposed to be happened on April, right? How many of you have registered there and came on July? Okay, so a big round of applause for yourself that you are supporting us still here. Okay, so thanks for everyone joining today, and like welcome to the Eastern India's largest hackathon. We are saying this, we will give you the same experience we are saying today. All right, so now, how's the Josh? Maza nahi aaya? How's the Josh? Yeah, all right. So, our whole agenda will be around what you are gonna do today, what are the tracks we have, how you can participate, what are the tips or tricks you should keep in mind before submitting your projects, okay? Cool. So before proceeding, here are our partners and sponsors, because without them, we would not be able to like make this happen, okay? So a big round of applause for them as well, because they have supported from the day one to the last day, because like you all have already know that we have multiple backlashes, like we have multiple postponed and preponed of our event. So yeah. All right. So about Hack4Bengal, already like many of my co-organizers already told about it. But yeah, we are a community of around 3,000 folks. And again, as this hackathon is postponed, so the a bad news, you can say a little bit, that is we have reduced the hackathon hours to 30 from 36. But yeah, but the experience will be same. Workshops, sessions, and everything will be same. You will get the same energy, same experience everywhere. Okay? So let's move on to the major part. You have to make sure before doing anything or acting anything, okay? So basically, do check our code of conduct. Don't involve in any kind of activities which may lead you to default or make you like disqualify for the hackathon. Make sure you are maintaining the decorum of our event. And also, try to make a good many of the friends whatever you can. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. So yeah, so just make sure that you are making your experience better and your colleagues and whichever joining you today. So yeah, that's pretty much about. And of course, we will give you the whole code of conduct and the do's and don'ts on your email as well. So make sure you must have checked that so that you are not violating any of the rules. Okay. Now, so this is some important event. So you may take the screenshots, or you must have received this on your email itself. So today we have Hyperlane workshop, Graph workshop, then followed by Google Cloud, FVM, Zeev, and then GitHub. Then again there will be a hands-on session which will be virtually by Virami, which is a DevRel at Google. So you will get these things. So it's not necessary that you join every session, to be honest. But yeah, those who want to integrate those apps or APIs, you must have to join those product sessions. Okay? Are we good to go? Nice. All right. So me coding on normal days and me coding in hackathon. It's about me, but again, why this? Like, can anybody would like to answer? Like, why this meme? Anyone? Anyone? Yeah. Okay, nice, nice. Anything else? Time limit. Okay, ठीक है. Time limit से excitement बढ़ जाता है तुम्हारा. Okay, nice. Anything else? Productivity. Okay, nice. Okay. Swags. Okay. Free का खाना. अच्छा. और कुछ? क्या? Competition. Okay. Okay, so the major part which you all have missed is the solution which you are going to provide for the unique problems you are going to solve today, right? हमेशा meme नहीं होता है, bro. So just check out. So there are some tracks from our side, that is quality education, good health, climate action, fintech solution, accessibility technology, open innovation. We have mentioned all in detail in our Notion doc, which is our hackers guide. You must have received that over your email. If not, I will also share this today in my deck itself. Okay. So yeah, it's not free labor if you call it a hackathon. Am I right? Nice. So why I am calling so? Because now we have a grand prizes. Let me walk you through. I assume like most of you have already gone through that, but still, let me show you. This is the first prize by like Postman, our one of the sponsor. So you can check out, like you have to integrate, you can use any API on your project and you will be eligible for this particular track. And another track is best Postman public workspace. You have to make any public workspace and you will be eligible for this particular reward. Okay? Then next, followed by you have to build something with Zeev, and if you are building something on Zeev, make sure that you are attending the session, and we are also having a booth of Zeev in the corridor, so make sure that you join there and you can discuss the idea which you are going to build. And yeah, they have a good merchandise kit for you all, like not for you all, there will be only 2 teams who will be eligible for it. So make sure if you are like we have mentors from Zeev, so make sure to interact with them and build on it. Cool. So and the next one is best use of the Graph protocol. We have the Graph booth as well, and we have mentors from Graph. So make sure to join them and like interact with them, discuss your ideas and build upon it. Right? We have the first prize of 13,000 and the second prize followed by 12,000. All right. And the next is Tejas India. Okay. So for this particular track, you have, if you have an issue, if you want to connect with someone, there is the mentors are available on our Discord server. Just go there and check for Ask Tejas. Okay. You will get this particular track, and the tracks are already mentioned on our Notion doc. You may check that. And also the prize pool is first team will get 12,000, second team is 8,000. Third team is 4,000, and then followed by, there will be a prize pool of 16,000. You will get the better abstraction of it on our Notion page, okay? Cool. Then again, we have best use of Google Cloud by none other than Google Cloud Kolkata. How many of you already know about this community? Yeah, who doesn't know about this community? अच्छा, एक हाथ उठा है. So you are from Kolkata or not? Okay, never mind. All right, so they have the track of like you just need to deploy a project on Google Cloud, and you will also receive credits. So make sure to join the workshops of Google Cloud, and the first team will get 10,000 and the second team will get 7,500. And the next prize by Google Cloud Kolkata again, that is best all girls team. So if you are a girls team, make sure to go for this particular track, that this is the only track for this season of our hackathon, which promotes diversity by getting more participants as a girls. So we have so if I talk about the statistics this time, so we have a number of girls are 1 by 6. So 1 female for 6 males in front of, yeah. So can you just imagine the number of participants? So promote the diversity. We are having our own track, that is best girls team. And the next is Build with Sardium. Again, this track is, if you need any help or mentorship, you need to join our Discord server and search for the channel Ask Sardium. Okay, then again, first place prize will be 24,000 and second place will be 16,000, and there will be a prize pool. If you are building, if you are not in top teams, then you will also get the, then you will also eligible for the prize pool. Okay, so if you are building on top of it, make sure to, if you need any help or something, you can always reach out to our mentors on our Discord server. All right, and then Build with Solana. I hope most of you already familiar with Solana. If not, you can also check our resources. Recently, one of their Devrel has taken the session on Solana. So you may check out the video if you are trying to build upon it. The first place is $500, which is 40,000, and then second place 20,000, and the third place will be 8,000. All right, and the next place is Built with Hyperlane. How many of you heard about Hyperlane? All right, we have hosted multiple workshops and sessions in Kolkata. So if you have missed, you should join today's session. Like we have Surya here from Hyperlane. He will take the session for you. And the prize pool is around 18,000. So make sure to build on top of it. Yeah, so none other than Logitech. Like you must have heard about the challenge. So here is the link if you have missed it. So there is a Logitech MX macros challenge where you need to build a macros, or you need to discuss, you need to think about, you just need to give them idea. It's not something like you need to integrate. It's not something like you need to build upon it. So you can just simply give an idea that how you can use their macros, macros on their MX keyboard or mouse. Okay. So if you want to participate in it, you just go to this link and you will be eligible for Logitech peripherals. You may get anything, whatever they can. It's totally up to the idea you are giving to them, right? All right, then again we have best use of Filecoin, where the prize pool is around 10,000 for best team, and then we have best use of FVM, where the prize pool is again 10,000. Today we have also FVM workshop, so make sure to join if you are planning to build upon it. Yeah. So next, and the biggest prize pool from our one of the platinum sponsor, which is Flow Blockchain, where the first team will get 1,20,000, and then followed by second team will get 80,000, and third team will get 40,000. So we have mentors live on our Discord server. If you want to join, or if you want to discuss the idea, if you want planning to build on it, make sure to ask your questions on the Discord server itself. I may connect you with the correct person there. So, all right. So how many of you are building on Flow? Okay, very few. So the competition, okay, no, it's not few. All right. ठीक है, देखते हैं like how many of you are building, like they have a good prize pool. So yeah, you should target this as well. Cool. So here is our grand prize pool, which is from our own Hack4Bengal, where we are giving first prize for 50,000, and the second prize will be 30,000, and the followed by 20,000. All right. So how many of you are participating for overall prizes? बाकी लोग ट्रैक के लिए आए. अच्छा, how many of you are not participating for overall prizes? अच्छा, तुम लोग ट्रैक के लिए आए हो? Nice, correct, सही है bro. चलो, all right. So here are some submission requirement. You must be in a team of 2 to 4 members. I hope you already know this. Yeah, I have seen few participants who are solo. So make sure to make a team or join a team. There are many who are with 2 members only or 3 members only. So make sure to join with them. And the project must be built during the given duration. And then project submission be completed within the given time frame, which is like our hackathon is ending on 10th July 5 p.m. So make sure you have completed all of the things beforehand, and then you must have to include your GitHub project link and make sure it's open source, because it will be really hard for mentors or judging team to get that the project is novel or not. So yeah, and apart from this, you can also make 2-3 minutes video, and it's optional for you because you can always pitch your mentors pitch your judges in front of your PC or something, because it's compulsory if we have few virtual participants as well. It's compulsory for you to make videos about, and which should be around 2 to 3 minutes. So make sure you are doing it, and please include the link to the deployment. So it's also, again, it's optional for the offline participants, because you can always show your project or product in front of the judges in your local machine itself. They don't need a live link or something to judge your project in real life. Okay. So, but again, it's not mandatory, but it's recommended for virtual participant to give a deployment link if possible. If something like, if you have made something on web or something, you must have to give a web link. And also, do not try to submit a project which you have made in past hackathons, because if we caught anyhow, you will get rejected. And because we have some good minds for the judging part, so make sure that you are not trying to do this kind of stuff. All right. So also cross submissions is not allowed. Suppose if you have built something here and on the same weekend you are submitting the project to the different hackathon, which is not allowed. Okay. So if we caught something like that, you will be disqualified simply. And yeah, then again we have the judging criteria, which is around 5 criteria which you will gonna judge. And again, then these are already mentioned on the Notion page in very detailed manner. That is innovation and creativity, where you are gonna show your creativity or innovation, whatever you are building is something different than already existing projects give. And then technical excellence, you must have to use the good technologies, and the complexity of the technology will be judged for your project. And then the impact on the society or the environment, whatever you are building, it should be sustainable, or it should give some impact on the society. All right. And then the most important part is user experience. We know that within the given time frame, 24, 36 or 30 hours, it's very hard to make a software or a product user friendly. But again, you make sure that you make something which is user friendly, even a decent way, because again, judges are also human, and then they need to judge the project like a human, so they will interact as a user, okay, and then as a judge. So make sure that user interface is also play a critical role for judging. So there you will get also, there is a 5 marks for this as well. So make sure that you are trying to keep a user friendly experience, okay? And then scalability, how much scalable it is, like if it's in real world, how much people can interact with, how much like it will create impact. So this kind of stuff will be, this criteria will be judged for the projects. And yeah, so but again, the specific requirement for different tracks will be might be differ, okay? It's for our judging process, but again, suppose if you are building on different tracks or from different sponsors, they might have the different judging criteria. So yeah, but it would be mentioned on our Notion page again. All right. And yeah, so the best part of the hackathon is, can anyone guess? जोर से swags, जोर से food. अच्छा, how many of you don't like swags? Don't like swags? कितनों को मिल गया swags? अच्छा, बाकियों को नहीं मिला है? बैग ले लो यार इनका, सबसे बैग लो. अच्छा, so now we have some more opportunities for you to get the swags, and which make you engaged throughout the event. So we have some challenges. You must have received this icebreaker challenge on your kit. You must have received that. So what is the use of that? You have to network the like-minded folks, the kind of folks is mentioned there. You just need to find those kind of people in the hall or in the in the event, basically. All right. So you just need to fill the form, and if once you complete, you just need to post using the hashtags called Hack4Bengal, and one of the participant will get rewarded during the closing ceremony, right? And the second is our H4B meme challenge. How many of you have participated in the last meme challenge? Okay, very few. All right. आज मौका है, कर लो, फिर नहीं मिलेगा. So the thing is, you have the hashtag called H4B meme, and if you are participating, we have some reward for you as well. And then last, not last, it's the second last, I can say, there is H4B bingo, which you can again get it over the Notion, that you have to complete certain tasks to get the bingo complete. And once you complete the bingo, how many of you heard about bingo or have you done before? All right. A few, a very few. All right. But again, you can understand we have already put it a very defined way on our Notion page, which I will share. And the next is your H4B learning challenge, where you can put your learnings, whatever the workshops you are attending. You just need to put it on your Twitter, and the best learnings, like the best active user or the best learner, will get rewarded for it. So yeah, make sure to join each and every session and put your learnings, and make sure public will know whatever you learned. Yeah. So yeah, this is the one-stop solution hacker guide, where you will get each and every link, whatever I shown you or whatever I cover here in this slide. You will get everything on this link. You can just scan the QR code, or you can, I guess you can see the bit.ly/h4b-hackers guide, right? You will get it every detail there. So if you are still facing any issue, or you are not getting it, there are our volunteers. They can help you, or even you can connect with me. So that's pretty much for now, I guess. Are you ready? Are you ready? All right. Thank you very much. All the best, everyone, for the next 30 hours of roller coaster ride. Bye-bye. All right. So the next session will start in a few minutes. So those who want to attend, just come back and then join the sessions.
So folks, we are starting our first workshop. It's from Graph India. So those who are interested and want to meet the mentors or want to learn from them can stay in this hall. They can also continue their hack from here also if they want. Moving on, please join me in welcoming Yash Jagtap to the stage, an exceptional expert in the world of decentralized technologies and a prominent figure in the Web3 community. Yash is a DevRel engineer at Dataverse OS, where he spearheads their technical graph coordination efforts. As an accomplished open source Web3 developer, Yash plays a pivotal role as the lead of the Polygon Guild Pune. Ambassador for the Third Web, previously served as a DevRel at Meta School and his advocacy within the Graph Advocates DAO. Additionally, he is actively involved in building One for All Web3, a groundbreaking initiative aimed at simplifying and democratizing Web3 development. Today, in this session, Yash will provide invaluable insights into leveraging the graph to unblock the true potential of decentralized applications. Get ready to dive into the world of decentralized data and discover how the graph revolutionizes data indexing and querying. Please give a warm round of applause to Yash Jagtap as he steps forward to enlighten us on the incredible possibilities offered by the graph and the future of decentralized technologies. Please, sir. A big round of applause for our speaker.